Okay, everyone, we are playing, this video is called, Jason's first shooting range. So, yeah, let's go straight in. Okay, here we go. I'm the best shooter all the time. Oh, I am terrible. Get back here and do it. Oh, striking. Here we go, another shot. Oh, I'm just laying nerve bad. I'm gonna go for this 5-point. No, I'm gonna go for it. No. Oh, I struck him right at that. Oh. Back. Just ignore the TV, okay? I will shoot the 3-pointer. And that corner shot. Shot that deer right there. Shoot more here. Ah. For that. I got him in the head. Get to my boy left. Go 5-point. I'm going for 2 points. I want it. Yeah. I'm giving out a free fidget spinner. I'll be showing you how to do some front flips.
After hours, only off-duty counselors and CITs can go. Great. Now the only thing I get to do after lights out is hear Tiffany snore. I have a usually large uvula. Listen, Zuri, if you're patient and follow the rules, maybe you can be a CIT next year.
What you do first,
Right now.
you are going to take your arms. See, I'll show you one first.
Hazel asked me to be your new CIT, and I'm accepting.
I'll show you how to do that later. Okay, ready? First, what you're going to do. Okay, what you do, you're going to have your hands flat like this. Like this. Okay. You're going to take it, and then you grab it. So, you take your hands, act like you're going to grab something like this, but you're going to bend over, kind of crouch your knees, have your arms still like this, like a wrestling thing. Then you're going to stand like this, then you're just going to lock your hands, like you go down, lock your hands on your knees, then bend over, and just push off. Just push off the floor that you're on. But never try this if you're not a professional. I'm not really, because I'm just a kid, but... Ready? Now, time to do whatever this thing's called. I just started doing it like a month ago. So, when you fall over and people laugh at you, what you do when you're laying down like this in a coffin position, what you do, you take your arms like put them back really fast. Take your legs, lift them up. You're all doing fast motion. Do that. So you're going down. Put your legs up. Push with your hands. Which will send you forward. But you're going to push with right here in the lower back. See? Watch, I'll lock my arms like this and do it. I'll do it without my arm. Well, I can't really do it. Okay, ready? Then you just take it. Then you get up in the air, and you just kind of have to change your body motion. You're good. Well, I'm going to have to end the video. So, yeah. Peace.